To transfer Xdc from Uphold, start by logging into your Uphold account and navigating to the Xdc Wallet section. Once you are in the Xdc Wallet, click on the Send button to initiate the transfer process. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's Xdc wallet address. This address is unique and can be found in the recipient's Xdc wallet. It is crucial to double-check the address to ensure that the Xdc is sent to the correct recipient. After entering the recipient's Xdc wallet address, you will need to specify the amount of Xdc you want to transfer. You can choose to send the entire balance or a specific amount. Additionally, you will need to add a destination tag, which is a unique identifier for the recipient's Xdc wallet. The destination tag is used to identify the recipient's account and ensure that the Xdc is credited to the correct account. Once you have entered all the necessary information, review the transaction details to ensure that everything is correct. This includes the recipient's Xdc wallet address, the amount of Xdc being transferred, and the destination tag. If all the information is correct, confirm the transaction and the Xdc will be transferred from your Uphold account to the recipient's Xdc wallet. The transaction will be processed on the Xdc network and may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the network congestion. It is essential to note that transaction fees may apply when transferring Xdc from Uphold. These fees are used to validate and process the transaction on the Xdc network. To avoid any issues during the transfer process, ensure that your Uphold account is verified and that you have sufficient Xdc balance to cover the transaction amount and fees. Also, be aware of the Xdc network's minimum and maximum transaction limits. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully transfer Xdc from Uphold to any Xdc wallet. Always prioritize security and double-check the transaction details to ensure a smooth and successful transfer.